Okay, finding the slope here. So we're going to take keep and change here from the right side, and then keep and change from the left side. So slope equals, keep the negative 13, but change the negative 7 to positive 7. Keep the negative 6, but change this positive 6 to negative 6. Then we'll combine. Different signs subtract, and so we're going to get 6. The bigger sign wins, so that's negative 6. And then same signs add, so we'll get 12. The bigger sign wins, so we can use the negative. And we'll simplify this to 1 over 2. And negative divided by negative is positive, so that's positive 1/2. Furthermore, we have y will equal mx plus b. Okay, now we'll get the y from here, so that'll be negative 13. We'll get the m from here, so that'll be 1/2. We'll get the x from here, so that'll be negative 6, and then plus b. All right, so negative 13, I'll turn this into a fraction. This will be negative 6 over 1 plus b. And fractions, you multiply the numerators. So 1 times negative 6 is negative 6, and 2 times 1 is 2, plus 6. Now, I can simplify this by saying negative 6 divided by positive 2 is going to be a negative 3, because negative divided by positive is negative, and then plus b. Sorry, should be a b. All right, now let's solve for b by adding 3 to both sides. And here, different signs subtract, so 13 take away 3 is going to be 10. And the bigger sign wins, that's negative 10. This goes to 0, and the b comes down. So now we know that b is negative 10. So we'll go back here and write y equals, instead of m, we put 1/2. We put the x in, and instead of the plus b, we're going to put a negative 10. We're done. All right, let's take a look at the next one. We're going to do keep and change. So keep and change here, and keep and change there. All right, so m will equal, keep the 6, but change the negative 4 to positive 4. On the bottom, we'll do the left side. So we'll keep the negative 3, and we're going to change that positive 3 to a negative 3. So same signs here will add to a 10. Same signs here will add to a 6, but the bigger sign wins, so that's negative. I can divide both of these by 2 and get a 5 over 3. And I don't forget the negative here. It's on the bottom, but I'm going to bring it a little closer to the top here. Okay, so negative 5 over 3. All right, so let's write the equation. Y equals mx plus b. And the y, we're going to use the 6. For the m, we're going to use the negative 5 over 3. Negative 5 over 3. For the x, we're going to use the negative 3. So negative 3 here, and then plus b. So we're going to have negative 5 over 3, and we're going to make this negative 3 over 1, and then plus b. And so we'll get 6 equals, so a negative 5 times a negative 3, so a negative times negative is going to be a positive 15. And 3 times 1 is going to be a 3, and then plus b. 15 divided by 3 is going to simplify to a 5. So 6 equals 5 plus b. And now we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. So minus 5, we'll get 1 equals b. So our equation will be, let's see, hard to write here. Our equation will be y equals the m, which is negative 5 over 3, the x, and b is going to be 1. So put a plus 1 here.